Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Viber. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. In order to change your phone number, firstly, open up your Viber app. Then tap on More at the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings. From this tab, go to Account. Here, you'll see an option for changing the phone number. Tap on it. Click on Continue. Now, if you have a new phone number and as well as a new device, select the second option. And if you want to change your phone number only, then select the first option. From the confirmation box, tap on Continue. Here, you can add your country code or you can simply choose your country from this tab. Now, enter your new phone number. Then tap on Continue. Another confirmation box will show up. Tap on Yes. Now for the verification, either a verification code will be sent to your mobile number or you will receive a phone call. As you can see, I've received a phone call. Answer it and the verification is now done. That's pretty much it. Your phone number has now been successfully changed. Thank you for watching and I hope that this video was helpful to you, and if it was, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kinds of questions and feedback. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.